Chest. The chest is the front part of a person's body, under the neck.
The water in the lake was as high as my chest.
Confidence. If you have confidence about something, you are sure of it.
I have confidence that I did well on the test.
Consequence. A consequence is a result of a choice or action.
As a consequence of missing my bus, I had to find another way to work.
Disaster. A disaster is a really bad thing that happens.
When the car crashed, it was a disaster.
Disturb. To disturb someone means to upset them.
The loud noise disturbed me while I was working.
Estimate. To estimate something means to make a guess about it.
The boy estimated that he was 1 meter tall.
Honor. When you honor people or things, you show respect for them.
I honor my science teacher by working hard in class.
Impress. To impress someone means to make that person proud.
He was able to impress the girls with his new dance.
Marathon. A marathon is a very long foot race, just over 42 kilometers.
I ran a marathon and now my legs are tired.
Narrow. When something is narrow, it is very thin.
The bridge is too narrow for a car to drive over.
Pale. When something is pale, it does not have a bright color.
The girl's skin was very pale.
Rough. When something is rough, it is not even or smooth.
The rough ground hurt my feet.
Satisfy. To satisfy someone means to make them happy.
It will satisfy my teacher if I finish all my homework.
Scream. To scream means to make a loud noise with your mouth.
The girl saw a spider and screamed.
Sensitive. When someone or something is sensitive, they are easily hurt.
My teeth are sensitive to cold things.
Shade. The shade is a dark area that something makes when it blocks the sun.
It was hot outside, so the boy sat in the shade of a tree.
Supplement. To supplement something is to add something else to it in a good way.
He supplements his diet with fresh fruits.
Terror. When someone feels terror, they are scared.
I felt a sense of terror when the tiger chased me.
Threat. A threat is something bad that might happen.
Due to the dark clouds, there was a threat of a bad storm.
Victim. A victim is a person that had something bad happen to them.
I was a victim of a robbery.
The deer and his image. A deer told himself every day, "I am the most handsome deer in the forest. My large chest is a symbol of my power, and my beautiful horns impress other animals." But he did not like his legs and hooves. "My legs are narrow, and my hooves are ugly. They do not satisfy me." One day, The deer saw a big dog. The deer made some noise and disturbed the dog. The dog woke up and chased him. The deer felt terror. He screamed. He did not want to be a victim, so he ran into the forest. His strong legs helped him run fast. His pale brown hooves were hard, so they were not sensitive to rough rocks. However, his horns got caught in branches, slowing him down. His large chest could not fit between thick trees. The deer estimated that he ran for an hour. He felt like he was running a marathon. In the end, the deer escaped the threat of the dog. He sat in the shade of a tree. That was almost a disaster. I almost did not escape because of my chest and horns. My legs and hooves saved me. As a consequence, the deer learned to honor his fast legs and have confidence in his strong hooves. Pretty things only supplement important things, he thought.